Hi, Ed Forondo here from OptiSurface, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can import a CSV file with UTM listing loadings and elevation, and how you can convert that into an XYZ file, which can import directly into OptiSurface Designer. So first is, if you don't know the file type, if your computer is not showing the extension, what you can do is go to View and then click Show, and then take this on File Name Extensions. That way you can see the extension for here. It is .csv, and this one, this is the output. This is .xyz. So to open this up, you can open this with the spreadsheet. I have set Microsoft Excel as the default for CSV files, but if it is not set for you, you can right click this and then find Open With, and then find the app that you want to use to open it. So yeah, I'll show you how it looks like in Excel, and this is how it will look like. So we got the point number here, listings, loadings, and elevation. So yeah, I assume this is the master benchmark, a point. So what you can do is add MB as a code here, and then this can be BM1, BM2, and B point is BM3. So basically what you just need is these columns here. So you can copy this, select them all, and then Control C, and then open up a text file like this. So let's create a new one, a text file. Let me show you. Here we go, text document, and open that up, and then just paste it there, and then hit save. Control S. Now you have that as a text file with X, Y, and Z, with the fourth column as the code. So next step is to change that extension to XYZ, and yeah, just hit yes, and you should be good to go to import this into OptiSurface Designer. So let's move on to that next. So we'll navigate into that folder. This is the newly created file. Hit open and hit the unit. So for UTM, it's usually in meters. So there we go. So we have the master benchmark. I think this is it. BM1, BM2, and BM3. We don't have the boundary, so we can adjust this boundary. Right click, modify extents, and then drag the vertices. That should be good. And we want to confirm it is in the correct location. So hit satellite, but it is looking for the correct latitude and longitude because we don't have it here. You can go to Tools, Project Properties, and then you can insert the correct latitude and longitude here. You can actually back calculate it here as long as you know the UTM zone. What I use is a website. Let me show you. So this is the website I use, liware.net/geo. And what I do is insert the listings, loadings, and the UTM zone here, and then hit calculate, and the latitude and longitude will be shown in here. So let's find that value. This is the easting, then northing, and I know this area is in zone 56J. This is J. Then I can hit calculate here. So this is the values I will use to insert in the project properties. Paste that in here and then copy the longitude. Paste that in here. Then don't forget to set this to UTM. Okay, so yeah, it is 56J. And when you right click this and then import a Google map, yeah, hopefully it lies on the correct spot. Yeah. So yeah, basically that's the steps. Then you can calculate a landform design or do your analysis, and then you can export the control file. But when you export this, if you're planning to export to a Trimble field level .gps file, OptiSurface Designer will ask you to rotate. So it will calculate the correct rotation and just hit OK. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Thanks.